Ziply Fiber Internet Review. Watch before using. Ziply Fiber Internet is a high-speed fiber optic internet service that promises fast, reliable connections, especially in underserved rural and suburban areas across the Pacific Northwest. If you're looking for seamless streaming, gaming, or working from home, Ziply Fiber aims to deliver with speeds ranging from 100 Mbps to 5,000 Mbps, depending on your plan and location. Designed for users who demand top-tier performance, whether it's for remote work, heavy media consumption, or online gaming, Ziply offers fiber technology that can support multiple devices without compromising on speed or connection quality. The key selling point of Ziply Fiber is its ultra-low latency and high reliability, which makes it an excellent option for video calls, online gaming, and downloading large files with ease. One of the standout features of Ziply Fiber is its gigabit options. For those who need the fastest speeds, Ziply offers packages with up to 5,000 Mbps, allowing you to future-proof your home or office with unmatched internet speed. Whether you're streaming 4K content, hosting a home office with multiple devices connected simultaneously, or running a smart home, Ziply Fiber ensures you won't experience slowdowns. Ziply also offers symmetrical upload and download speeds, which is a major advantage for content creators, remote workers, and anyone who needs to upload large files or conduct video conferencing. However, Ziply's availability is limited to certain regions, mostly in the Pacific Northwest, including Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and California, which means it may not be accessible to everyone. The installation process is relatively straightforward if you're within their service area, but if you're outside of those regions, this may not be an option for you. In terms of pricing, Ziply Fiber is competitive with other fiber optic providers, offering both standalone internet plans and bundles with TV services. The pricing structure is transparent, without hidden fees, and offers good value considering the speeds on offer. Customer support is generally well-reviewed, with the company providing 24/7 assistance for troubleshooting and setup inquiries. In conclusion, Ziply Fiber Internet is an excellent choice if you're located in one of their service areas and need a fast, reliable connection for gaming, streaming, or working from home. The fiber optic infrastructure they use provides impressive performance and future-proofing potential. If you're ready to upgrade to fiber internet, Ziply is a solid option to consider, but do ensure it's available in your area before making the switch.